Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're planning a trip with KLM Airlines in 2025 and need to pack a little extra, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to add extra baggage to your KLM flight. Whether it's souvenirs from your adventure or just more clothes than you thought, KLM makes it easy to upgrade your allowance. Let's get started. First things first, before you book or after you've already got your ticket, head over to the KLM website or open their app. It's super user-friendly, and you'll want to log in to your account if you have one. If not, creating one is quick and free. Once you're in, navigate to the My Trips or Manage Booking section. Here, select the flight you need to update. Make sure you have your booking reference handy. Next, look for the baggage options. KLM typically allows a standard amount of baggage, but for extra pieces, you'll see an option to add them. In 2025, KLM has streamlined this process, so you can choose from additional bags, overweight allowances, or even special items like sports equipment. Remember, fees apply, and they vary based on your route and how far in advance you add it, so doing this early can save you money. After selecting your extra baggage, you'll be prompted to review the costs. KLM's fees are transparent. For example, an extra bag on a European flight might cost around 50 to 70 euros, while long haul might be 100 to 150 euros. Enter your payment details, they accept major cards and other methods, and confirm your purchase. You'll get an email confirmation right away, which is your proof, so keep it safe. One quick tip. Always check KLM's baggage policy for any restrictions, like size limits or prohibited items, to avoid surprises at the airport. If you're traveling with family or in a group, you might be able to add baggage to multiple bookings at once for efficiency. There you have it. Adding extra baggage with KLM in 2025 is a breeze. If you follow these steps, you'll be all set for your journey. If you run into any issues, KLM's customer service is top-notch, so don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching, and safe travels. Hit that like button if this helped, subscribe for more travel tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.